Good morning. One of the things I want to share with you today is this delicious, basic breakfast salad. Many days, I will have a salad for breakfast. That's one of my favorite health hacks. And as you can see, I make my salad in a large bowl. This is almost a cake bowl. And I can eat all of this. In fact, I will eat all of this. Let me share with you. And this is a quick, basic salad. But what I love about it is that it allows you to check the boxes, for your veggies for the day. In this salad, I basically have romaine lettuce, cherry tomatoes, all of it's organic, by the way, diced onion, a whole cucumber, a whole avocado, and then I tossed on the top some leftover salmon from last night's dinner. And for a dressing, I basically just have some apple cider vinegar and olive oil that I mixed and just drizzled over the salad. So this is really, really tasty. What gives it the kick, but this morning, of course, it's going to be the salmon. But if you don't have salmon, you could use beans or you could use tuna. But what really gives it the kick for me is that little diced onion. I love that diced onion. But it is absolutely delicious. And this is one of my number one health hacks, is to eat a big salad either during the day, but I like it for breakfast because I want to start my day getting those vegetables in so that as the day progresses, if you're rushing, your body has what it needs. It has those vitamins and nutrients that it needs to get you through the day, so you're not craving sugar, you're not grabbing unnecessary desserts and treats and fast foods and things like that. If you start your day with something nutrient dense, and when it's not a salad for me, it's generally a juice. I will make a vegetable juice and drink that, like celery and cucumber with ginger and lemon in it, and it's really, really delicious. So I'll start the day loading in vegetables. And what I like about it is that with vegetables, this is my key thing with vegetables. You can eat as much as you want. It's a lot in this bowl, and I'm going to eat all of it. You can eat as much as you want and not feel guilty and not gain weight. So vegetables are an unsung hero in my book. And they don't taste bad. And of course, you can make salads out of all different types of things. So you can dress them up and make them as healthy as you want. So I just want to say this is a basic breakfast salad for me. And I just want to encourage you to start experimenting with salads and try to eat more unconventional, like eat salads for breakfast. I don't know if other people do that, but it's worked for me in terms of giving me the energy and giving me my day's supply of vegetables. Although I do combine vegetables with my lunch and dinner as well. And I just want to say, if you have a savory breakfast, like you may scramble a couple of eggs, you can steam some spinach on the side, in in 1 minute, just let it wilt. You can mix it with your egg or eat it on the side. So I do continue to eat vegetables with my lunch or even with my dinner. So it's not that this is going to be my only vegetable, but if it was my only vegetable, I know that my body has been treated well today. So I hope this tip blessed you. Have a wonderful day, and God bless you as well.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Access links to free handouts below, and be sure to share your comments. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.